hi, Joey. Say hello, buddy. You gonna say hello? Say hello, Joey. What? What? Say hello. Say hi, Joey. Joey, say hi. Nope, not gonna say hi. He's too busy about what's going on outside. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Shaggy's Awesome Garage. I'm Shaggy. Thanks for tuning in. Today's going to be a little bit of a midweek mail call stash ad. Midweek, yeah, it's Wednesday, so yeah, it's going to be a midweek mail call and a stash ad and a little bit of a What'd You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. If you haven't seen his channel, then go by there and see what he's got going on. Joe's a great guy. I've got quite a few things to get through today. Hopefully it's going to be a short video. Let me start off by showing you a couple of kits that I won at the Armageddon show last week. I don't know if I showed you that or not. It was in the show coverage, but yeah, this is my haul from the show. I won this one in a raffle, and this one, no wait, yeah, I won this one in a raffle, and this one was given to me. One of the club members gave that to me, and that was a raffle win. So yeah, or the vice versa, I can't remember which. Either way, I got both of these kits. So yeah, I got those kits from a club member who won in a raffle. Sorry, Harry, I can't remember which one you got. Yeah, this is the one Harry gave me. Or is it? Heck, man, I don't remember. It's been a few days since then. Also, a few videos back, I told you guys that Walmart has kits now here in Pensacola, and I went a little bit crazy. Sorry. let me show you some kits I got from Walmart. I got this one, the 62 Impala. I got the 63 Impala. Yep, here's the Impalas. Pretty cool kits. Also got I got a 66 Chevelle. Is that 66? No, 67. Sorry, 67 Chevelle. It's probably one of my favorite muscle cars. If I had to choose a muscle car to drive daily, this would be it. I love the Camaros. My first car was a 60. My first car was a 79 Z28 Camaro, and I'm going to end up getting the Stranger Things Camaro just to build my first car. So that's a future video. But anyhow, this was a Walmart kit also. That's cool because it's got the bike in with it. I also bought this one right here. And that's going to be, I know exactly what I'm going to do with this build. I'm going to build it just like that. Yeah. Also, oh yeah, back to the Armageddon show. Man, I'm all over the place today. Hopefully you guys can follow along. If I get confused and repeat myself, I'm sorry. But that's what happens when you get older. But yeah, this right here was a raffle item that I won at the Armageddon show. Anything with wheels, right? Here we go. Well, that tank has wheels. It says it's a LAV 150 Commando AFV with Cockerel 90mm gun. Whew, that's a mouthful. Yeah, cool. Anything with wheels, and that's a tank. So here we go. I'll get to that someday. Here we go with some more Walmart kits. I bought this one. I've never built a sci-fi before, or Star Wars, or airplane, or spaceship, or anything of that caliber. So that's in the stash, and also is this one. I like Star Wars. I'm not like a fanatic about it like a lot of people are. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with that, but yeah, I'll watch a good Star Wars movie every now and then. I don't know much about them, but I know these are the Imperial ships. the Darth Vader crew and what's this guy, Stormtroopers? I guess Stormtroopers fly those things. I don't know. Anyway, it's the Imperial fighter, and we have a interceptor. Pretty cool. $19, can't go wrong. And all those kits I got from Walmart were $19. Crazy. So if you guys got a Walmart near you, go check them out. And if they don't have kits, ask somebody to start getting them, because it's crazy. Okay, I'm getting a little crazy. I'm getting a little beside myself. Let me get you turned around to the bench. I've got a few other things I'd like to show you guys. Hang on just a minute. Guys, here we are back at the bench. Today I got to work, and one of my coworkers, Derek, who is also in the model club, the Pam's Modeling Club, he said, "Hey man, I got something for you," and he threw me a package, and this was what was in the package. Cool beans, man! Look at there. I got the 29 Model A Ford. Awesome. And it comes with the bike. He's been wanting me to build a bike for the longest time, and now's my chance. And we also have a rat rod build coming up for the club entry. We decided to. You guys have seen my Toyota 4 before, and that was the last club group build we did. The next one is going to be a club group build rat rod. So this is what I'm going to build my rat rod out of. So, cool. Thanks, Derek, for that. Also, at the show last weekend at the Armageddon show, I picked up some paint. These paints were $1 a piece. This will be my first time using rubber black. We'll see how it goes. Also, I picked up some Mr. Color. Let's see, what color is this? Metallic blue green. I might end up using that on the bike. We'll see what happens. And I have some stainless. You gotta have your stainless steel for all those pipes. We have some burnt sienna. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to use this. And we have copper. That'll be an interesting. I'm not sure where I'll use that. Heck, it might even go on the bike too. I'm not sure. That would be an interesting color combination on a chopper, wouldn't it? Anyhow, yeah, all of these paints were $1 at the show. I mean, you can't go wrong for $1. And it's got a label in here. It was what, $3.25 at one time. In any case, also I told you guys earlier it was mail call. One of my subscribers had put a post on one of the other Facebook channels that I'm a part of, that he does resin parts, and he put a post in there about some hinges that he was making to open up doors and hoods and trunks and that sort of thing. And I messaged him and I'm like, "Hey man, I'd like to get a hold of some of those guys." So we messaged back and forth, and lo and behold, I am now a proud owner of a bunch of resin 3D hinges and hoods and that sort of thing. I'll show them here in a minute, but this is the guy that sent them to me. Model Man Chuck 3D Printing on Facebook. Oops, I guess I need to blur out that phone number. He may not want people to have his phone number, but yeah, I'll blur that out during editing. But anyhow, let me get you guys down on, get you pretty close down here to the. If I can zoom in a little more, right there. All right, let's try that. So let me show you about these hinges that he sent. I think they're pretty darn cool. Yeah, there we go. Let me back up a little bit. Spin you around. There we go. That's a little bit better. Yeah, these little hinges, man, these things are cool. Look at these little hinges. Those are cool, man. I can be opening up a lot of doors and trunks with these things. Very cool. And you see it's got the little pin in it, and it's got the, where it swivels. Takes all the guesswork out of making hinges, I think. And I don't have a clue how many are in this stack here. But there's like a couple of different versions of how he printed these things, and he pre-glued the hinges for me. Man, that's awesome. Um, Chuck, dude, you're amazing. Good job there, buddy. These are really, really cool. I'm glad I got to share this with you guys. Um, yeah, you can tell it's pretty doggone neat. And he's got another type of hinges here. And he told me to test them out and let him know how they did. I think they're pretty cool. Let's see if I can get a little closer view of that. And my dirty old fingers. See if I can hold it like that. Maybe it'll be better. There we go. Yeah, that's a little bit better. So yeah, that's closed. And that's open. Pretty cool, I think. And yeah, he's got these little the hinges parts. Here's some hinges taken apart. There's one part of it, and I dropped one. Hang on. There's the other little mechanism to it. Got the little. See, that's how it goes together. Got the little tiny pin at the top. It's got a little hole in there. Let me turn it around so you can see it. Yeah. There you go. These two go together to make this. Pretty dang cool, I think. Yeah. Pretty darn cool. Thanks, Chuck, man. These will come in handy. I don't know what I'm going to use them on, but I'm definitely going to use them. Chuck, man, you're awesome. Thanks. Let me see if I can zoom back out a little. Whoop, that's the wrong way. Sorry, guys. Hope you're not getting sick on me because of my zooming capabilities. Let me get the camera. Okay. Say hello, Shaggy. Hello, Shaggy. Sorry. I don't mean to be a... I need to finish painting that guy. I got the paints to do it with now, so I don't know what the holdup is. The holdup is me procrastinating. That's what the holdup is. I got a couple shop cards to shout out to. Chet over at Billboard Builds sent me out a shop card. Chet's a pretty cool guy. He's got a pretty cool channel. He does a lot on there, and he's sponsored by a lot of people. So go by there and check him out. And Chet has a QR code. Let's see if I can zoom in on that a little better. There you go. Yeah, you guys get a chance, pause the video and see if you can QR code that and jump over to Chet's channel and check him out. Let's see if we can zoom back out. Okay. And here's a lot of the builds he's done. I think that's a General Lee right there. That's pretty cool. And I like the dirt track racer and the... What is that? That's... I don't know, but that flame job's pretty dang cool. Hey, there's the Bandit car, and then you got the Bad News. Looks like a Model T there. Looks like an old Dodge Dart. Yeah, cool. Run by and check out Chester. Thanks for the kind words on the back there, Chester. And look, there's another QR code. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Cool, man. Thanks, Chet. This is going up on the wall of acknowledgement. See all the guys up there? I'm running out of room, people. But no problem. I will make adjustments. I love those shop cards, man. Keep them coming. We also got one from Donnie Griffin at the Grumpy Old Man Scale Models. That's a really cool build right there. What is that, a 55, 56? I don't know, man. Hey, Donnie, thanks for sending your card, bud. Donnie's out in, I was kind of surprised to get this card. His address, the poor guy lives out in the middle of Texas. I'm sorry it's a poor guy, but you're not a poor guy. You're a great guy, Donnie. Reason I say that is because I used to go to, I used to go to church camp out in Killeen, Texas. He lives near there. There's not much out that way, but what is out there is pretty darn cool. If you guys get a chance, go on over to Donnie's channel and check him out. Thanks for the kind words on the back there, Donnie. Oops, sorry guys, I didn't mean to hit the camera. If you guys want one of his shop cards, go ahead and email Donnie right here at DonnieGriffin14 at yahoo.com. I'm sure he'll be glad to get a shop card out to you. If you guys want one of my shop cards, there's my email address right here at the bottom. I'm getting pretty close to the bottom of the box, guys. And then I'll have to order some more. If you guys wanna stop out over at our hang on, I dropped something. Let me get it, guys. Sorry. If you guys do Facebook and you'd like to check out our club channel, it's at Panhandle Automotive Modeler Society. You guys want one of these stickers? Go ahead and send me an email. I'll send you a sticker in one of these stickers if we have enough. I need to order some more for my club, but if I have enough, I'll send them out to you along with one of my shop cards. And there's our QR code for our club over on Facebook, the Panhandle Automotive Modeler Society. And here's the QR code for my YouTube channel. Of course, you don't need that. You're already here. So anyhow, thanks guys for stopping by, and we will catch you on the next one. And remember, keep the airbrush blowing and the stash growing. Thanks guys. See you on the next one.